As part of our email sequences, as part of our series of video where we talk about how can we help software companies get more demos. Of course, when we talk about demos, we talk about software companies that have deals that are more than 10K per deal. We have talked a little bit about ads. Next time we talk about VSLs, landing page, and email sequences, and so on. And with ads, I have spoke about how to structure your ad to have one CBO campaign, post Andromeda, of course, have many creatives and focus on the creatives in order for you to test everything out. And today I want to talk especially about something that is related to the part of having ads where you take them to book a demo or an ad with something entirely different than that. There are a couple of styles of ads that I have tried in the past, which is an ad that leads to getting a demo, an ad with a free lead magnet, an ad with a paid lead magnet or a product. And the one that I have found to have been the best in terms of quality and in terms of good and in terms of good amount of conversion. And of course, ROAS.